Hey guys, Angelo again. Today I have something here on my bench that it's funny. I got someone call me about that device a while ago. He just bought to me today. I searched around all over the internet and I could not find anything related. Only like clueless posts, videos that don't show anything. But today, let's try to get that together and see if I can get that working. What I have here on my desk right now is an Artiphon Instrument one, and that's the power cord, and that's the problem that happens with all those units. They won't charge at all. I started to look around and I didn't see anything posting anything about that, and people even saying that that thing was impossible even to open and to work with. But I think they are wrong. I did a little research, and what I found out, let me just put this one here. They even say that that thing was impossible to open or do anything, but if you just pull up those tabs, you can see underneath there the air screws to be open, and looks like it will open really easy. See, there's 6 of those rubber feet, and underneath here seems to have like a Phillips screwdriver, a screw. So just get that one out. There's one. That's 2. Three. 4. 5. 6. And let me see here. Have an old card here. Let's see. Oh, there you are. See? And that's it, looks like. Just little tabs holding. Just one moment, let me just get with both hands and remove all those tabs around, and I'll be back. And yes, with the card I could get all the tabs around. That's the battery down there. When I pull it, it came out. So let me just disconnect that one. And the first thing that I want to see is and as I am suspecting, yes, it looks like the connector for the battery. You guys can see right there, have a bad connection. Let's resolder that thing and see if it works. First, let me just remove that board out. Speaker in one side, the second speaker, and there's a flat that goes to the fretboard. Just lift the little here, and the cable probably should go up easily. Yes. And there is one more underneath there. This one here probably, there's a little tab right here. Should go another tab on that other side here. Just leave the tab, and that cable probably goes out pretty easy too. And yes, okay, let's disconnect that one and that one, and I think both are out right now. Just get those 4 little screws. There's one. There's 2 here. That one was even out already. And one more down here holding the board. And it looks like it's out. Yes, the pin looks like have a really bad soldering on it. That right there on the right side, and that one on the middle there. So let's resolder that. So have my soldering iron ready here, and I need to use both hands, so I need to get through it. I'm gonna resolder that, and I will be back after I resolder. Okay, pins are resoldered. Now I'm just gonna do a little cleanup on the board and see if that take care about that problem. Okay, board is back in place. Let me just get put later. Okay, cables are all back, connections. So let's get the moment of the truth. And here we go. It's charging. Sweet. That's nice. So a lot of people saying that they sent those units back to Artiphon, and they said was a battery, was this, was that, but seems like all the problems were on that connector. Yeah, even jiggling right now, nothing, still solid blue. And I'm gonna put that back and see if it works. Okay, everything's back in place. I didn't put the screws yet, but just making sure when I connect the power. And here we go. even jiggling, don't do nothing at all. If I remove it, off, connect the power back, and it's charging. Alright, seems like we got a living unit again. Alright, all the feet back, all the screws back, getting back the knob, and hit power. Here we go. The green LED is on, that means power. Working. And if I connect the power back, goes back to blue, that means charging. When the LED gets back to green, means that the battery is fully charged. But seems like that unit has been out for a long time, so just let them charging. Let's just do a little experience. Hold on a second. So I have an iPad here. I download some stuff here already. That's the app for the instrument one. I have to click on here, connect your instrument one. Let's just get that connection back on here. And hit power. And yeah, looks like have connection. And yes, seems to be working. And it's still working. So I'm gonna leave there for a while and see if the battery get fully charged again. So after a while I left them charging and battery got green. That means it's fully charged. Well, looks like that babe is brought back to life. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe, leave your comments, and leave your like. So this helps me to keep posting more and more fixing videos for you guys. Thanks, and to the next one. Bye bye.